Okay, okay, okay. Don't worry. So the first workable prototype of the internet came in late 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, okay, or the Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Originally funded by the US Department of Defense, ARPANET used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on a single network. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network, okay, in 1960s. You can say first network introduced in 1960, right? Under funded by Department of Defense, DOD, okay. Then technology continued to grow in 1970s after scientists Robert Kahn and Winton developed transmission control protocol and internet protocol TCP/IP, a communication model that sets standard for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks, okay, which have greater capability to handle we can say multiple users, okay. It is a connection oriented protocol communication model that sets a standard for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. ARPANET adopted TCP/IP on January 1st, 1983, and from there, researchers began to assemble a network of networks that became a modern internet. The online world then took on more recognizable form in 1990s, where computer scientist Dr. Tim Berners-Lee invented the WWW, means WWW stands for World Wide Web, okay, in 1990, because he found one language, okay, which is called as HTML, okay, and also he found web standards in 1991, okay. So internet concept starts from 1960s, but actual network concept actually start from 1960, okay, but internet concept growing from 1990 to or 1991, okay. Next part is protocols. Here a protocol is a set of rules that governs communication between computer on a network. In order to have two computers to talk to each other, they must be speaking the same language, okay. Pranav Jadhav, keep your microphone off or disabled. Okay, protocol is just a set of instructions. When two people communicate with each other, then this type of which type of things happen. So similar to that, one computer, one device, electronic device communicate with other, then protocol things is there. Okay, it is just a communication, nothing else. Okay, when one device communicate with the other, which it require set of rules. So set of rules is nothing but protocol, nothing else. Okay. Take one example. Uh, if person A wants to communicate with person B, okay, right? When person A says hello, then person B reply to person A hi. Okay, such type of communication, such type of conversation happen same with protocol, okay, with electronic devices in network. Okay, when when one device requests to another, then another device replies to uh, sender. Okay, so there is a sender and receiver concept. Right now we're going to discuss about examples of protocols. Please tell me, is it audible to you? Okay, 100, 100 participants. Very good. Why some? Okay, okay. Thank you. Good. We need to cross 100. Okay. So TCP/IP is there. Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. It breaks down the message into packets and send them out into the network. Now, just TCP/IP stands for TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, or Internet Protocol. Okay, so this both protocol works together. Okay, for communication between two device, communication between network. Okay, so here there is one word, message into packets. What do you mean by packets? Packet is just we can say one type of box. Okay, container, which box contains we can say which box contains words, characters. Okay, few words. If there is one paragraph, simply take this example. This is a paragraph, right? Transmission control protocol and internet protocol. It breaks down the message into packets and send it out into the network. This is just a one paragraph, right? When we want to send this paragraph one device to another, okay, internet through internet, then TCP/IP works like um, this paragraph into small pieces. Okay, cut it into small pieces. For example, transmission word separate, control word separate, protocol separate, or three to four words separated. Okay, and then each and every, for example, this transmission control protocol. Okay, and one, two, three, four words, four, okay, or three words. For example, three words comes under one packet. Remaining from and to uh, down into another packet, second packet, and from the message into packs, message into packets into third container, third packet, third box. Okay, and rest of and send them out into the network. This sentence comes under fourth packet. So there are how many packets? Four packets. Okay, four packets. So these four packets transfer in queue. Okay, to the receiver. So sender to receiver, such type of communication happen with TCP/IP. Okay. Okay. So it breaks down the message into packets. So such type of message, such type of paragraph breaks down into small pieces and set into particular packets, and these data packets uh, transfer from source to destination. This is very important. Source to destination. Source means what? Sender. And destination means what? Receiver. Right? Are you getting me? Are you getting my points? Source to destination. Travel. Okay. So there is required protocol to communicate, to travel between one device to another. So TCP/IP is one of the protocol who help you to transfer data. Okay. So TCP/IP is this. Next protocol name is here. Okay, okay. Again, I repeat TCP/IP. First of all, TCP/IP works together to communicate into network, right? This line is very important. It breaks down the message into packets. Now here packet is just now here packet means just container or box. Okay, it contains small break pieces of data. Okay, and this send them out into the network. We can take an example. For example, uh, when you search particular image or photo, okay, which is into high resolution photo, okay, then it displays like small pics, and this then appear particular image. Okay, why displays like a small pics? Because just a minute, let me admit. Okay, here we go. 101. Sometimes what happen when you search any image or photo, okay, from Google, okay, for example Google, if you enter anything, just take one example directly from Google. Okay, here we go. Mm, if I search information technology, yes, information, information, okay, technology, okay, there we go. By search images, what is high resolution? Let me take high resolution image. Uh, this one is high resolution. Let me check. I want the image. Yes. Okay. I just want this image. Particular website. This one. Okay. This one is the open. Time small pieces. When you display is small, again I hit this button. Is it a problem? Is it to you? Just please reply me. Okay. Just select image. I'm telling you about pieces. Image is also just information. Text is also information. Everything is information, right? On when you talk about computing data, right? Everything is information. So this is image information comes into slots, okay, small this, and then loaded exactly your user end, okay, machines. So I am a client from server gives response to me, and here we go. This information exactly tell us. So how TCP/IP works, okay? It works backend for communication purpose, right? Now next protocol name is DNS, domain name system. It translates network addresses such as IP address into terms understood by humans, such as domain names and vice versa. Okay, DNS, domain naming system or domain name system. Okay, write down DNS, domain name system. It translates network address such as IP address into terms understood by humans, because network addresses like I will show you how to how displays like network addresses or IP addresses 192.92.168.1 point, sorry, 1 point, take one example 100. Okay, so this is just a IP address. This is one of the IP address of specific. Okay, this subsender in 4 sets, 1, 2, then 3, and this is a 4. Okay, IP addresses. So this it is difficult to memorize. Okay, difficult to understand such type of numeric things. Okay, numbers difficult to remember to human, right? So instead of this, we can use, it's not a Google website address, but just take one example. Okay, so this is a very beneficial, right, to you. We can say or, right, either this or that, right? 192.168.1.100. Okay, so which one is a easily memorize, which one is a easily understood these things? Okay, because this is the proper word and this is a numeric address, right? So this is nothing but DNS, domain name system. Okay, so which is understood by human, such as domain names and vice versa. This is another thing. Now DSCP. DSCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It can automatically assign internet addresses to computers and users. Okay, automatically assign, right? No need to set proper IP addresses. IP address, you know about IP address. IP address is used to identify individual machine, okay, into network. This is very important IP address. Okay, this is one of the IP address 192.168.1.100. This is one of the IP address. What is the importance of IP address? It is used to identify individual PC, individual device into network. Okay, they want to send any messages, any type of communication. Okay, when you wants to communicate with particular device, then this IP address is very important. Okay, necessary. So DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, it can automatically assign internet addresses to computers and users. No need to enter uh, gateway, then IP addresses and all these things. Just click on DHCP. Okay, it can automatically assign. Then next thing is FTP, file transfer protocol, a protocol that is used to transfer and manipulate files on the internet. Okay, basically it is used to transfer messages, it is used to transfer files one device to another. Okay, source to destination. All protocols basically works same. Okay, now next protocol name is HTTP. HTTP stands for hypertext transfer protocol, an internet based protocol for sending and receiving the web pages. Okay, so this HTTP is very popular. You know about each and every pages. Just a minute, I admit one. Where is okay? So HTTP is a very popular one, hypertext transfer protocol. When you surfing any pages on internet, when you surfing any websites, then it displays HTTP protocol. Okay, at the URL address bar. It will just start from HTTP and then colon forward slashes www, and then we can say um, particular server host and then domain name, right? For example, http colon double slash www.google.com is the best example of uh, any web address. Okay, so at the beginning there is a protocol, that is the HTTP. Okay, HTTP stands for, again tell me, HTTP stands for, HTTP stands for what? Hypertext transfer protocol. Yes, Akanksha says hypertext transfer protocol. Correct. Very good. Yes, Arif. Okay, correct. Sanika Patil says hypertext transfer protocol. Perfect. Okay, so this is very main, very you can say important type. Okay, when you wants to surfing any type of website or web page on internet. Okay, so there is always HTTP. Also there is a if you notice, there is another protocol name is HTTPS. Anyone knows about HTTPS? Now what do you mean by S? Any guesses? Yes, Zuleka. Yes, very good. Absolutely right. It's a secured. Very good. Very good. Athava says secure. Very good. Correct, correct. Vaishnavi says secure. It's a secured. SECURED or secured. Right? Very good. Sakshi says. Everyone says secure. So HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol, secured. Okay. When such type of protocol is there, then security is there. Okay. Who protect to all type of users. Okay. All type of visitors gaining access. Right. Now next protocol name is IMAP. This is related to the messages, email services. Okay, Internet Message Access Protocol, full form: Internet Message Access Protocol, a protocol for receiving emails, messages from server on the internet. Okay, it maintains a copy of all the emails on server. We can sort, filter emails. Basically, IMAP is also called as uh, pull type of protocol. Pull, push. Okay, pull means what? To receive. Okay, pull means what? So it's just like a written on written on door, right? Message like pull message, hold this bar and pull your door. Okay, hold this bar and push your door. Okay, so type of things. Pull means to receive, and push means what? To send, right? So IMAP is a receive. Okay, yes, push means what? To send, and pull means what? Pull me pull pull means what? To receive. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, so IMAP is a receive. IMAP is basically used to receive email message from server. Server कडून accept करायचं, right? So from server on the internet, it maintains a copy of all the email server. It retains, okay, any type of copies, any type of email messages, okay, on server and receive the same. Okay, we can sort, filter emails. Now IRC. Next protocol name is IRC. Basically, it is related to the chatting, chat rooms, internet relay chat. Okay. Yes, a protocol used for internet chat and other communications. It facilitates communication in the form of text. Okay. Uh, it is just work with Gtalk, work with Ftalk. Okay. Okay. Many more things. IRC is used in chatting services. Now next protocol name is POP3, okay, which is totally opposite to IMAP. No, sorry, similar to IMAP. Sorry, similar to IMAP. Okay, the POP stands for Post Office Protocol version 3, a protocol used for receiving email from remote mail server. But main thing is what? It does not maintain copy on the server. Okay, so IMAP is better than POP3. Okay, because IMAP is used to receive mail, as well as it it maintains copy on server. Okay, it maintains a copy of all the emails on the server, right? But here it does not maintain copy on the server. This is very important sentence. It does not maintain copy on the server. And okay, when you talk about POP3, okay, working is same like IMAP, but it does not maintain copy on server, right? Next protocol name is SMTP. Again, this is same into email service. Okay, IMAP, POP3, SMTP. So these three comes under email service category. Okay, email messages. So SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Okay, Simple Mail, MAIL. Okay, a protocol for sending email messages to the server on the internet. If I talk about IMAP, then this is a it is also called as a pull type of protocol. Then SMTP is what? Just enter into comment. Then SMTP is what? Which type of protocol? It is also called as. Tell me, SMTP is a which type of? Just read a protocol for sending email messages. Then SMTP is a, yes, absolutely right. He's Anuja. Okay, push type of protocol. Very good. Absolutely right. SMTP is a push type of protocol. Okay, to send email messages, to send email uh, to the server. Okay, push type of protocol. Exactly. So these are protocol examples, right? Is there any difficulty? Yes, absolutely right. It's a push type of protocol. These are just example, push and pull. But main thing is what? To send messages, then SMTP is there. To receive messages, then POP or IMAP is there. Okay. If you want to, if it does not maintain, if you don't want any type of copy on server, then POP3 is there. If you want retain copy on server, then IMAP is there. Okay. Is there any difficulty? Then we discuss about uh, further points. Okay. Thank you. So next part is IT enabled services. Okay. IT enabled services, which is also called as ITES. It is also called as web enabled service, IT enabled service, or remote services, or teleworking. It covers the entire amount of operations which exploit information technology for improving efficiency of an organization. The most important aspect in the value addition of IT enabled service. The value addition could be in the form of customer relationship management, improve database, improve look and feel, etc. The outcome of IT enabled services in two type of forms: direct improve service and indirect benefits. Whereas direct benefits can be realized immediately, indirect benefits can occur over a period of time and can be harnessed very effectively if planned well up front. Okay, so popular IT enabled services centers. Okay, you heard about um, service centers. Okay, so popular IT enabled service centers are, there are few examples. First example is call center, second is electronic publishing, third is medical transcription, fourth is data centers, fifth is GIS mapping. GIS mapping means geographic information system. Then ERP is there, enterprise resource planning is very popular in IT industry nowadays. Now knowledge management and achieving. Okay, so these are very popular IT enabled services. Okay, call centers related to the uh, any type of supports. Okay, any type of technical supports you can give through call centers. Okay, electronic publishing is like any type of um, books. Okay, magazines. So comes under electronic publishing. Now medical transcription, any type of we can say medicines, which is comes transcription comes under medical type. Then data centers for storing big data. Okay, every company is having data centers like Facebook, Google, Insta. So all having YouTube, all having data centers in particular area. Okay, GIS mapping, geographic information system. Then enterprise resource planning and knowledge management and achieving. So these are examples of IT enabled service centers. Now, interesting point is here: careers in IT. Okay, this is very important point. Careers opportunities are available for IT professions. These vary from operator to specialist skilled programmers. Some of the career opportunities we are going to discuss in next first, but first we discuss this one only, and we're going to stop. Okay, web developer, web designer, and developer. One can develop interactive website using knowledge of HTML, PHP, and various other programming languages. Those can become a web developer or designer. So PHP is there. If you have knowledge about PHP, then you can definitely become a web developer. If you do not have a knowledge of PHP, then you can become a web designer. Okay, just you need to take HTML, CSS, and JavaScript knowledge. You can definitely become a web designer. Okay, in many tech giants or in IT industry. Okay, this is very interesting careers in IT. We definitely cover these all points into next lecture. Okay, is there any difficulty? Then let me know into comment, chat, or into my WhatsApp group. Okay, I will definitely gives you marks. Okay, last test marks. If anyone wants last test marks, just inform to me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay, here I just stop sharing. Just a minute.